My name is Andrew Donnelly, and this is my 3-minute podcast on teacher as research. Okay, so the themes and issues then that come around with my research is to compare and contrast the traditional means of note-taking and more modern approaches to taking notes in the classroom. The research will also aim to highlight ways in which to do this in the classroom, and the main theme of the research then is modernisation of the classroom and the viabilities of the implication of this. So the research question is, what effects will having students record and present their work in video format rather than traditional note-taking methods have on their learning and memory retention? So the literature review then has shown that I keep coming across documents that are talking about change in the classroom. We've seen this the whole way through our 4 years here in college, and we've looked at a surgery lab in, let's say, the 1900s versus one today. And today, obviously, we're using keyhole surgery, we're using robotics. But then if you look at the classroom, the only difference really is there might not be a uniform anymore. There might be integration with male and female. Not much has changed. The new guidelines and regulations from governing bodies such as the NCCA and various other documents as well as coming in are looking for change in the classroom, looking to challenge the students, looking to challenge the teachers as well with some new ways of educating. More studies also suggest that students learn, or young people in particular, learn better when they watch videos. A teacher can spend 20 minutes trying to talk about a topic at the start of the room, but it might be just as good to show students a 2-minute video, 30-second video in some cases, and to explain it even better with the visuals and the notes over top. So the research methods then, we'd have a case study in a school, small scale first. There'll be a control group that would have a mix of watching videos and note-taking, so the kind of traditional way that we have at the moment. The second group then would just take notes by hand, and the third group then would do video processes in the workshop, and they'd watch videos as well in the classroom in order to actually see the content. So this would be a mixed method approach then in collecting the data. The groups would hopefully be at the same standards, let's say 3 groups of first years, 3 groups of second years, something along the lines of that. We'd test them beforehand, so maybe we start this around Christmas time. Just before Christmas, we'll look at their results then, so we'll be able to determine what level each group is at. Then we would do another test at the end, so each group then again we get the same test at the end with a new topic, and we'll see if there's any improvements in the groups or whether we've disprovements either. There'll be random interviewing as well as the students throughout, so we'd ask them questions like, what do you think? Does it take long to upload videos? Do you have internet at home? Do you have to go to the library? We'll have a look at that. And then obviously the observation is key here at the moment, because we could be changing a lot there for the students. It could be big workloads or whatever. So we're going to be observing as well to make sure that their mental health, their well-being is monitored, that they're not staying up all late all night. So the implications then of practice, hopefully some grade increases, less work on teacher and student in terms of a lot of the work will be done in the class using a phone. The teacher wouldn't have to stand up in front of the room. The student wouldn't have to do as much in the evening other than maybe upload the video to YouTube. Promote then positive uses of technology. So again, we're not using the phone for Facebook, Snapchat, we're actually using it in a positive light. We're downloading apps, the students are talking video format, develops their technological capability. Maybe overly time consuming though to correct in terms of the teacher having to click into each video, and each video being 3 or 4 minutes long rather than just a diagram on a page. And it could potentially leave students up late, as I said, editing these videos, uploading these videos, again with slow internet connections if students from a rural area. And then not all students have access to this internet, so again we have to look at all these aspects.